Hi Syndicate, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup without my glasses. And normally I wear my contacts so you guys can't see, but I can't see anything past my face about like this much. I can't read a book. I can't really look at my phone. I'll be cross-eyed. So I've been nearsighted since I was like 5th grade or something. So I think when I was 10 years old, I started wearing glasses, and at first I thought it was like super cool. And then later I regretted it because my eyes just got worse, and now I can barely see. So a lot of people saw my pain and decided I want to milk it, and I want to do my makeup completely blind. My version of blind, not actually blind, but it is something that I haven't tried before. We'll see how it goes. I might be completely off camera frame, and I apologize in advance because I won't even be able to see this, but I will be taking my avant-garde makeup look of the Twitter makeup and turning it into an editorial wearable look thanks to this comment right here. And if you want a comment shout out for my next video, then make sure to leave a comment below in this video of another suggestion of a makeup look that you want me to turn into an editorial wearable look. So without further ado, let's go try doing my makeup without my glasses. Oh, also, I'm gonna make it harder and only do this in 15 minutes. So, starting my timer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, 15 minutes starts right now. It's gonna be super loud and blaring when the timer stops. And so I'll just take this off and get started with my primer. Okay, so I am starting off with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Come on, you can do it, buddy. Oh yeah, Hydro Grip. The sad thing is, if my camera stops recording, I won't even know. That's why I have a timer on. Should probably not rush this, but why make it easy for myself? Maybe I should have actually put my stuff in the visible area. Ah, okay. I think this is Bare With Me the NYX Bare With Me Cannabis Tiva oil, lip oil that I'm just put on my lips so they're nice and juicy. Pop that to the side. And because I can't find my foundation, can't see further than 5 inches in front of my face, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer and Beige Clan. And to start with my concealer, oh, this is a lot harder. I'm purposely not going to be like super close up to my mirror. I know the general areas of where I'm putting my makeup, but I just don't know like how much is actually going on my face. Oh dear. Wait, I need foundation. Where's my foundation? It's like I took off my glasses and I completely took off my ability to do makeup. I'm running out of makeup. So for my foundation, it's my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup and Fawn. There's not much in here, but I can't really see. Okay, the hard part now is whether or not it looks blended, because honestly, to me, I look blended already. I do have my trusty little pocket mirror here just to kind of have a look closely. I'm gonna be using this later when I do my eye makeup. Oh my goodness. I was so off. Oh dear. Oh dear. I said easy and I regret it. Reinforcing my concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in Sand Sable. I'm like completely running out. I should probably throw this away. Double foundation action. All right, now let's try to do my eyebrows. Brushes. Okay, I got my eyebrow brush. Wow, this is, okay. When my mirror is too close to my face, it ends up creating a shadow, and so I can't see anyways. Where there is sight, there is darkness too. It's even harder to do the other side because I can't see where the bottom of my eyebrows are. Okay. See, I can't even do a time check because I don't have my glasses on. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter powder. Make sure that this doesn't slide around. Ow, I just brushed my eye. This is the bronzer. We're under a time constraint, people. I don't have time to contour my nose properly. Alright, this seems like an acceptable amount of bronzering. Next, let's start with the eyes, because that's the part that we all want to see, right? We're here for the eyes. We have the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Eyes Palette, and whatever brush I can first grab. Let's start off with a dark color. No. With a light, this color, H2O. No. Oh, this color, Drench. That's more Twittery. Maybe I shouldn't have done like a complicated makeup look. I wanna use the color Melt. I was gonna do like a circle action, but I don't know if I'll have time for that. Considering I can't even check the time, probably not the best idea. Oh, I missed the front of my eyes. Okay, for the front of my eyes, I'm gonna do icicle. It's a bit shiny. And I wanna add like a darker color. So I'm gonna take Break. It's darker. Oh my gosh, there's powder underneath my eye now. I have to brush that off. There is no strategy to this. Just go, go, go. There's kind of like a butterfly action going on. Not intentional, but it's happening. So I'm gonna go back with Drench and blend that out. Boom! Editorial! Not on purpose though. Okay, let's move on to that part of the Twitter. Got my Snazaroo palette. Just kidding. You know what? Let me take my concealer. Wow, I'm all over the place today. I'm gonna just take my concealer. Let's take the one that's like running out. So to fit me. I wanna make a circle right here. Like a cut crease, but a circle cut crease. You know what I'm saying? I think this is enough. And I think this looks like a small brush. Oh my gosh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. I'm shaking. Okay, good. I feel like the details won't be as hard because I at least have my small mirror here with me. My saving grace. A little circle because my avant-garde makeup look has like circles, so I feel like I have to do a circle. Okay, I think I got a semicircle on both sides. All right, just using the same brush because it's small and I have no other choice. And I'm gonna do Crystal because it's a lighter color and it looks closest to Twitter. No, my 15 minutes is up. Boo. Okay, well, I failed. This is what happens when you try to do it in 15 minutes, but whatever, we're gonna keep going. Why did I even think I could do a timer? I couldn't even check the dang time. Whatever, I'm gonna pack this on. Pack it. Okay, so I packed that crystal color on, but it looks like it kind of just blended in with the rest. I'm gonna do like little shadows. I'm gonna take Break, and I'm gonna do a shadow around it. That did not work. Did that work? It sucks that I'm sort of a perfectionist because there's no way I can be a perfectionist with this one. All right, let's go cool. Okay, let me just use my finger for this. Can't go that wrong with it. Now I'm gonna put on my little clouds using a little brush. Dip in water. Now I'm taking the Snazaroo face paint. Taking that white, add some water to the white. Okay, we're gonna draw little clouds. Cloud mode is Zen mode. I wonder if all the effort going into my little half circle was wasted. I don't even think you can see it. Maybe if I like kind of like drew a line. Maybe that just looks weird. I don't know. Alright, we're making it a cloud because I think I messed it up. It's a stormy cloud. It's becoming a very, very cloudy day. Okay, liner. I'm taking Milk Makeup's Kush Liquid Eyeliner in the color Loud. Oh, I'm gonna mess this up, aren't I? Oh no. I just need enough so that I can put lashes on. Okay, now I'm taking the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Okay, for my lashes, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes, Old Fashioned. Looks like that. Glue this ish down. Let's hope we don't miss. This little hand mirror really saved this video from being a total disaster. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. Success! Docking! Landing. Houston, we have arrived. We're here. Alright, final two things I'm gonna do is take this little guy. It's the mini highlighters from Milk Makeup in the color Lit. Why are these always made so tight? Do you want me to use this product or not? Ow, my nail. It popped open, but also took the top off with it. Well, because I don't want to waste it, it's now at the top. I take a little brush, dip it into that, swirl it. Technologic. I'm gonna put it on myself. Does it look good? Can you even see it? I can't even see the highlight. Oh my gosh, I'm rubbing off my makeup, aren't I? Good job, Cindy. You have done it. Just kind of rubbing it, hoping that it shows up. Oh, blend it out. Final thing, I am using MAC's Once Bitten Eyeshy lipstick. It's just pretty much like a white gloss thingy. It's not a gloss, it's like shiny white. It smells like Play-Doh. Well, I guess it's kind of pink. It like left some pink tint on me. Let's do another thing. What's this? Is this a color I want to use? It's called New Whip from Milk Makeup. Trying new things today. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna mix the colors. I don't think this looks good. It's very powerful colors. Maybe if I blend it out so it's kind of like messier, like you just made out with someone's lips. What if I put eyeshadow on this? What am I doing with my face? Alright, frostbite color is awesome. I'm going to take cool down my frostbite. And then the middle, I'm going to use icicle and drench. And then because I love myself, I'm going to go back in with cool. Did I save the look or make it worse? Okay, I guess that's good enough for the Twitter look. Okay, now it's time for my self-reveal. I'm going to go put on my contacts so I can see what happened. Let's go. I'll put on my contacts. I've seen little glimpses, obviously, as I was putting on my contacts of myself, but I haven't fully looked at myself, so I'm gonna do that right now. In 3, 2, 1. Oh dear God. What is this, Frost Queen? Eyes. I think the eyes, not bad. A little surprised, but the clouds turned out okay. Cut crease, little circle thing, can't even see it. Lips, horrible. Color completely not what I was expecting. That was just poor blending on my part. So we're just gonna wear a mask, cover that up, and just look at the eye area. I think the highlighters actually turned out pretty well. The rest of my face is blended. My eyebrows are not as atrocious as I thought, but there's definitely little minor details here and there that I probably would have chosen to change. I will say though, even though I messed up the lipsticks in the beginning, it became a really good base, primer base for what I'm doing right now. So finally, I think right under, whoops. Finally, what I want to do is, because my lips are a little bit different from right here, so I'm just going to add a little bit of that Arctic blue right under my eyes, just to bring it all together. And then just blend out the inside. Fix the hair. And oh my gosh, I forgot my waterline. With Twitter, we need a Twitter-ish color, so I'm using the NYX eye pencil in Aqua Shimmer. I'm going to draw my waterline. Take a brush, blend out the sides, make it more subtle. What should I do with my hair? And this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video and you want me to do more makeup challenges, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below on what you want my next look to be. From an avant-garde makeup look to an editorial sort of wearable look, I guess. Just a little bit easier for you to do. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you know when all my new videos are coming out. As usual, stay creative and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Powder in the eye, powder in the eye. Oh, I feel so sexy with the powder in my eye.